Okay, I would like to address to my problem about adjusting the axis. I am using optical encoders, and this is what happens when I press lower or raise the axis. Okay, let's go. Oh, no way. My left motor with shielded cable. The axis motor. God. And right motor. Right motor is trying to adjust itself. Oh yeah. You see that micro moves? Okay, stop that. Rise again. Moment, okay. Let's rise. And the party starting again. Left motor is trying to adjust itself. The axis with optical encoder without shielded cable, but it doesn't interfere with other cables. Now it works smoothly. And the right motor. Disaster. This is the end of my maslow rig. Now I'm going to build another CNC. This one will probably go to trash. So goodbye, Maslow community. This is the end.